Hi planner friends, this is Kathleen from Apricot Tree Planning, and I just wanted to show off this mock-up that I did of the Tulip Joy kit that's in my shop right now. I am obsessed. I can't wait to use this in my own planner. I have been wanting to make a tulip kit forever, and I finally got it done, and I just think it turned out so cute. It's kind of like all Dutch because it's got bicycles and it's got some blue and white elements that look kind of like Delft, which is, you know, that blue and white pattern that you see often in Dutch things. So, you know, they make pottery and stuff with it. But oh my goodness, I just think this looks like such a celebration of spring. And tulips are just one of my favorite things. Them and daffodils, because they're like the first things, and crocuses to come up in the spring. And it's just been a very gray winter around here, and I am really ready for some color. So I hope you like this kit. I love it, and I hope you do too. Check it out. Thanks for watching.